welcome to LKP's weekly commodity outlook. My name is Jateen Trivedi, senior research analyst with LKP for commodities and currencies. So this week we are looking at the gold prices again. Having a good positive start on the first day of the week on back of Russia-Ukraine updates that the euro and the other nations are tightening their screws on the sanctions, and they are hiring they are lifting up the sanctions on products of the Russian commodities, especially the energies basket. If and all that situation does come, then the crude oil prices are also going to shoot up, the commodity prices will shoot up. So this is some kind of a panic situation where the commodity prices are reacting to it again, where the gold prices are now above 53,500 odd levels on the MCX, and also we have seen the prices taking strong support once the prices have started to take support from the 50,500 mark a couple of weeks back. Also we are witnessing a strong amount of buying being witnessed onto the comics prices as well, from the time 1900 1920 odd levels has been respected, and same has been reflected on the MCX price as well, with respect to 50,500 odd zones. Now the comics prices are also trying to test the levels of around 2000 odd mark, which is again a landmark where the prices once stabilizes above 2000, then a swift rally towards 2050 2070 cannot be ruled out. And if we compare it to the M6 prices, then 54,500 55,000 again will be achievable quite swiftly. So we are keeping a bullish view onto the bullions prices again for this week as well, and the key important levels as mentioned onto the charts, 53,000 to 52,900 odd zones is a very key important zone. So till the time prices are trading above 53,000 broadly, our view is still bullish. My view is still bullish onto the gold prices. Whereas on the supply side, this week we can see some minor supplies facing to at the levels of around 53,700 to 53,950, due to the comics price also touching closing towards the 2000 odd mark. So it is not going to be very easy as well for the comics prices to cross the 2000 odd mark and maintain about it. We might see a situation where the comics prices will hit 2000, but thereafter some profit booking might emerge from there, as many long unwindings might happen seen at the levels of 2000, which is a very crucial juncture as well. So traders need to carefully watch out for those levels. When the prices touches 2000 odd zones, some profit booking definitely will be emerging, but still the market is still a strong buy on dips market onto the prices. Now moving on to the currency front, the USD INR pair is also looking a little bit on the positive side, as we have looked the dollar index shaping above $100 mark currently, and also the dollar index has been testing these levels, and once it starts stabilizing above $100 mark, then the pressure directly comes on to the currencies which are related to the dollar denomination. Now euro GBP is definitely under pressure due to the rise in dollar index. Also the JPY is also strongly under pressure. It has been trading below 52-week low continuously on the JPY INR front as well. So we are looking at the dollar index to stabilize above 99 on the short to medium term, and on the higher side 101 to 101.50 will be the next hurdle or the supply point for the dollar index. So till the time dollar index is holding above 100, the rupee can show some weakness going ahead, and the respective levels for rupee around about 76.10 is a strong support zone. So till the time broadly it is above 76, one should be maintaining long positions on any dips. Whereas on the higher side again we will be witnessing 76.45 76.50 as resistance, and 76.60 as major resistance zone, as the DIs are constantly a buyer onto the capital market, since we are looking a strong domestic market flow into the prices, the domestic theme market I would say, whereas the domestic sectors are also performing quite well, and all the domestic investors are trying to build some strong positions onto the domestic market and domestic sectors. So this is about it from me guys on the commodities and currencies market front. Hope to catch you all next week too. Thank you.